Are you struggling to reach your audience effectively?
Wondering whether digital marketing or content marketing is the right path for your business? Let's dive in. Are you tired of pouring resources into strategies that don't resonate? Ever felt lost in the digital noise? Unsure of where to focus your efforts? We get it. It's a common challenge. But what if there was a solution that seamlessly integrates both worlds? Introducing our innovative approach that bridges the gap between digital and content marketing. Say goodbye to the dilemma. Our platform synchronizes targeted digital campaigns with compelling content creation, ensuring your message resonates across channels. No more compromises, just results. Your audience engages effortlessly, and your brand rises above the clutter. Ready to transform your marketing game? Embrace the synergy of digital and content marketing with us. It's time to captivate your audience, elevate your brand, take the first step towards a powerful strategy.